Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to boost uploading speed in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to boost your uploading or downloading internet speed, so let's see how we can do that. So today I have a DNS, which is Google provided DNS, so which might help you to boost your network speed. Now to add that to your system, the very first thing I recommend you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, and over here you can directly right click on the start button and then select run from here to open this run command. And here you just have to enter this command, which is ipconfig slash flush DNS. Once you have entered, just click OK, and it will flush DNS. It means it will remove or delete any DNS if your system have any DNS. Once you have done, you just have to click on the start button again, and here you just have to search for control panel. Just search for control panel, and here just select view by, then you have to click on category and then click on large icons. Now in this section you just have to select network and sharing center, and here just select change adapter settings from the left side. Now here you might see your network adapters. I have only two. There's a Ethernet and Wi-Fi. I'm gonna right click on my Wi-Fi as I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I have right clicked on my Wi-Fi here. Just click on properties, then click on internet protocol version 4 TCP or IPv4. Just right click on this, or you can click on this and then go to properties. Now here you just have to scroll down and click on this use the following DNS server address. Once you have clicked, you just have to enter this DNS server, which is 8888, and preferred DNS server, and in alternate DNS servers it is 8844. Once you have entered this, just click OK, then click close. So now you have successfully boosted your network speed. You have just entered the Google provided DNS server to your system, so your speed must have to boost now. So in this way you can easily boost your upload or download speed in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.